love his confidence, and I feel like a lot of kids should look up to Baila. Like, he reminds me of Tony Allen, Neil Tolentino of the MPBL, mga players na walang pake sa offensive stats, but like on defense, the way they impact the game, like, hindi siya kita sa stats eh. I mean, siguro sa plus-minus efficiency, pero not totally. Kasi, like, drawing a charge, diving for the loose ball, like, yung effect doon sa team, parang, if you see a teammate do that, magaganahan ka talaga na, uy, like, I wanna do just as much for the team. Parang ganun. Tapos nakakahawa yung ganun na energy. So, I really love that about Jacob Baila na, and he's also not shy of the spotlight. Like, I mean, he took on the task to guard Jacob Cortez, and he did really well in Game 2. Pero, Game 3, syempre, mas prepared na sila doon. And gumana pa si Mike Phillips, Luis Pablo, Mason Amos. So, I mean, he did stop Jacob Cortez, pero there are so many other players on that LaSalle team that can score. And, I mean, you have to use different schemes to be able to stop that.